Alright, I just installed the E85 sensor. It's halfway installed. I just got it hooked up to see if it works. Alright, so I'm gonna pump 1 gallon of E85. Actually, I'm gonna pump a little bit more than a gallon. Alright. Alright, this is why you need flex fuel. I disabled it, and my air fuel ratio went to 16, 15.8 because I added the ethanol. So it's telling me to change cycle effects, so I'm gonna do that. See how lean it's running? That's the E85 mixed with the 93. So I'm gonna go to fuel. Enable, turn it off, turn it on. And now it's running richer. Right here is where I add the percentage to fuel to the car. I can add less fuel and then start running leaner. Because you see the fuel correction, it's 110%. Add more fuel, the fuel correction goes up, it's 112. So that's why you need flex fuel in the car. A flex fuel sensor in the car, so you can adjust the fuel based off how much fuel or ignition, based off how much E85 you have in your car. So no matter what mixture you put in there, it's good to go.
Just roll the windows down. You got your jacket on. You gonna cry like a little bit?
Whatever.
I'm just messing with you.
He just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him. He knows the code. The salary is all about noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means
The bitch does pull like a motherfucker. That was awesome.
Dude, that was like half throttle, bro.
I don't give a shit. That bitch actually had some traction. I can hear it starting to break. I was like, it sounds like he sat back a little bit, but damn, good grabbing. The tires do a good job, son.
Aaron, you still there? Bro, a whole bunch of black smoke came out of my exhaust.
Did you see that? Hell yeah, son. Everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard him fucking with S.A.T. Damn, you can hear that turbo, let's blow off valve all in sequence and you just sound all sexy and shit. it at right now, by the way?
I don't know, maybe 20. I don't know, maybe 20. Maybe it's 18. I don't know where it's at right now. Oh, get him! Second gear, bro.
Really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note, he writes every line. I've seen him at work, not like it's on in his mind. It's like it's designed.
And we fucking slide him down right there, boy. Grab this little bitch right here. Don't fuck about pull out the car.
15% concentrated power.
Yeah, this is Alright, what's up everybody? I got some new subscribers, so it motivated me to make this video. I got problems, alright? They took the tag off my car. The DMV took my tag. They made me turn it back in because I took the insurance off for the winter time. And so they took my tag away from me for 3 months, alright? So I can't really go do any racing. I mean, as far as right now, I mean, it's winter time anyway, so nobody's got that car out. So I figured I'd make a video. Yeah, I'm going E85 right now. I'm doing E30. I'm not going full E85 this year. So this year I'm gonna run E30 with the water methanol injection, and I'm gonna be around 700 horsepower this year. Okay, so I'm gonna be around 700 horsepower, and I'm gonna run it. All right, it's a 2JZ GE with turbo pistons, the GTE pistons, H-beam rods, and that's it. That's all the motor, stock cam, stock everything else. So besides head bolts and even the stock head gasket.
Say hello to my little friend.
Stop, Shayna, you play too much. Come on, man. Shayna, stop. All right, hello. I said hello. Come on, man. You play too much, man. Stop, Shayna. Stop. Stop. You play too much. Shayna, stop. All right. Stop.
I got in the eye.
She play too much, man. Shayna, stop now.
Stop
They gonna
what?
think I staged this. I did not stage this. She just trying to be funny. Stop, man. I'm with an anger.
Okay, no.
Boy, she play too much, boy. Alright. So like I was saying, alright, like the bill's gonna be real. Alright, I'm gonna show you how real this bill's gonna be. Okay? Now, these parts are not on the car yet. So I got, now next year, I'm running it 700. When I start that car and I drive that car, it's gonna be at full boost, 700 horses every time I get on that car. Every time I race that car, it's gonna be 700 horsepower. I'm going to just about every race event I can with that car. All right. So I got 2,150 cc injectors for the car. All right. I'm adding another fuel pump. I'm adding the same fuel pump I got in the trunk. I'm getting 2 of them, dual fuel pumps. All right. So that's cheap. So I just put another fuel pump in, put the wiring on it, relays, and bam, that's it. All right, we got forged Wisco pistons. All right, this is serious right here. You know what I'm saying? Got the injectors. Like I said, these injectors are rated to 1,700 horsepower on E85. So I got my H-beam rods. These are BC H-beam rods, all brand new, never used. Shayna, stop making all this noise, please. I want some chocolate chip cookies. Thank you. All right. All right, thanks. All right, as you can see, I got forged pistons. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a real 1,000 horsepower car.